back from the dead.
Alexa, turn on computer. See, in today's world, AI has become an essential part in our daily routines. In my room, almost every light is connected to the Alexa. And guess what? In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make a smart power strip controlled by Alexa. Of course, you can find one on Amazon, but you don't get the joy of building it. So before we start, make sure to subscribe to my channel and let's get right into it. To build a smart power strip, things you will need are ESP8266. Here I am using 8 channel relay module. You can use 2, 4 or 1. I am currently out of 2, 4 relay module, so I am using here 8 channel relay module. And last, you will need some female to female jumper wire. For circuit, D1, D2, D5, D6, D7 are the output pin for your relay module. So let's make the connection. Now, to program your ESP, here is the code for your ESP. Now go to Files, Preference and paste this file here. I have already copy paste here. Now go to your Tools, Board Manager and find here ESP8266. Now install this library in your Arduino IDE software. After installing, go to Tools, Board and here you should get this ESP8266 board. Now from here select ESP Lite 1.0. Now your code should detect ESP8266 Wi-Fi.h when you select the board from there. Now in the code, type here your Wi-Fi name and Wi-Fi password. If you want to change the name of your device, just change here. For example, you want to change room light to AC, TV, fridge, you can change here. Now just compile this code and upload it to your ESP. Now after making all connection and uploading code to your ESP, it's time to configure your Alexa app in your mobile. Open your Alexa app, go to devices, tap on add device, select lights and select others, then select discover devices. Now here you can see Alexa has found 5 devices. Now click on next and here you can see Alexa has found yellow bulb, room light, red light, blue light, CFL. Just select one and click setup. If you want to add them to your group, you can add them to any group, bedroom, kitchen, living room. I am simply skipping here. Now I have successfully added all the devices to my Alexa app. Now when I want to turn on any device, I can tap on it. For example, yellow bulb. Now you can see all the devices is added to the Alexa app. Now to turn on and off, you can easily turn on and off with the help of the app. Let me show you. Alexa, turn on CFL bulb. See, here I placed everything in a 8 channel modular sheet. You can easily buy it from any electrical shop. Now I am going to connect some devices to it. Alexa, turn on corner light. Alexa, turn off corner light. Alexa, turn on Bluetooth speaker. Alexa, turn off Bluetooth speaker.